Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn section 2, poem 2.1, Song of the Open Road. On the page number 93, we can see there is icebreaker activity. First activity is choose the word of travel that you would like most for a journey. Travel as a जर्नी प्रवासाचं वर्णन जे आहे ते कशा प्रकारे म्हणजे कशाच्या माध्यमातून आपण करू शकतो. ए एअरवेज, वॉटरवेज, रेल्वेज, रोडवेज. बघा, वायुमार्ग, जलमार्ग, रेल्वेने किंवा रोडवेज रोड साईड रस्त्याच्या मार्गाने सुद्धा आपण प्रवास जो आहे ट्रॅव्हलिंग आहे ते करू शकतो. गिव्ह रिझन फॉर युअर प्रेफरन्स. Why you choose airways or why you choose waterways. So first you give reason for your preference. तुम्ही तो प्रेफरन्स कशासाठी केलेला आहे त्याचे रिझन्स द्या, त्याचे कारण द्या. नेक्स्ट, डिस्कस विथ युअर पार्टनर द प्रिपरेशन यू वुड लाईक टू मेक फॉर journey chosen. Make for as a journey chosen. So first you discuss with your partner and then you journey chosen. आता कुठेही प्रवास करायचा असेल तर आपण पहिल्यांदा काय केलं जातं, त्याचं प्लॅनिंग केलं जातं आणि त्या प्लॅनिंग नुसार प्रत्येक योजना जी आहे त्याच्यासाठी प्रिपरेशन केलं जातं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ॲज अ जर्नी चूजन, आपल्याला कुठला मार्ग निवडायचा आहे तो पहिल्यांदा ठरवला जातो आणि त्यानुसार त्याची वाटचाल केली जाते. बघा, नेक्स्ट, डिस्कस द वेज इन विच यू वुड ओव्हरकम द प्रॉब्लेम्स. वेज म्हणजे जाण्याचा मार्ग, म्हणजे ठराविक प्लेसवरती आपल्याला जायचं असेल, प्रॉपर प्लेसवरती जायचं असेल तर आपण कुठल्या मार्गाने जाणं आपल्यासाठी ते सोयीस्कर असेल, म्हणजे ते प्रॉब्लेमॅटिक नसेल, ॲज हिंड्रन्स अडथळे नसतील, डिफिकल्टीज यू फेस ड्युरिंग युअर जर्नी, किंवा काही कठीण समस्या येतील ज्यावेळेस तुमच्या जर्नी वेळेस प्रवासाच्या वेळेस त्या तुम्हाला सहसा काय होईल, टाळता येतील. During every journey, we have to observe certain rules. So, discuss your ideas of the journey without any restrictions. You can begin like this. During every journey, we have to observe certain rules. So, discuss your ideas of the journey without any restrictions. You can begin like this. For example, first, I would go alone with selected friends. I would go alone with selected friends. Be as your point of view. You observe certain rules and discuss your ideas of the journey without any restrictions, and you can begin like this. Next, we see the character of Walt Whitman. आपण वॉल्ट विटमन जे आहे कॅरेक्टर त्यांचं पिक्चर जे आहे ते पाहू शकतो ॲज हिज वर्क ऑल्सो. सो वॉल्ट विटमन 1819 टू 1892, बघा 1819ला त्यांचा जन्म झाला आणि त्यांचा मृत्यू जो आहे तो 1892 मध्ये झाला. So Walt Whitman was an American poet. Walt Whitman as an American poet, so essayist and a journalist. Whitman is among the most influential poet in the American as a canon and is often called the father of free verse. Who called the father of free verse? वॉल्ट व्हिटमन. तर वॉल्ट व्हिटमनला तो अमेरिकन पोएट आहे. ही वॉज अन अमेरिकन पोएट, essayist and journalist. Whitman is among the, for example, as the most influential poet, and he known as, often him called as the father of free verse. He grew up in He grew up in Huntington in a family with difficult economic status. So his major work, Leaves of Grass. His major work, Leaves of Grass, was published in July 1855. Leaves of Grass, whose work is Walt Whitman works. Leaves of Grass was published in July 1855. His O Captain, My Captain. His O Captain, My Captain, a poem written on the death of Abraham Lincoln. O Captain, My Captain is a poem written on the death of Abraham Lincoln. It widely popular. So the section 1 of the Song of the Open Road. Section 1 of the Song of Open Road from Leaves of Grass is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will, and tenderness of heart. It gives us poets realization that along the journey of life, one will face a test of wisdom, which is not tested in any school or university. Which is not tested in any school or university. A road is something everyone uses. For example, a road is something everyone uses, whether rich or poor, and it forces all levels of people as associated with one another. The road signifies as mobility. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something as a new. So, Walt Whitman talks about the people and the places, and he urges against as a staying in one place for too long. And although the hospitality may be as true, although the hospitality may be as a true. So, the Walt Whitman, we see he was an American writer, poet, essayist, journalist. So Whitman is as an influential poet. We called as a influential poet in the American canon, and often him called as the father of the free verse, the father of free verse. So he grows up in a Huntington in a family with a difficult economic status, and his single work or major work, Leaves of Grass, was published on 18 July 1855. And O Captain, My Captain is a poem. He is written on the death of Abraham Lincoln. On the death of Abraham Lincoln, and the section of the Songs of One Road, Songs of the Open Road from Leaves of Grass, and it is beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will, tenderness of heart. So Whitman talks about one people and places. He argues against and staying in one place for too long time. And although the hospitality may be as a truth. So Song of the Open Road. A foot and light hearted I take. So shall I, for example, he says, a food and light hearted I take to the open road. Here, a food, a healthy, free world before me. First, I read only, and then we explain it. The long, and there is the time also here given about healthy, free, the world before me, the long brown path before me leading wherever I choose. Henceforth, I ask not good fortune. I myself am good fortune. Henceforth, I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Done with indoor complaints, libraries as querulous, criticism, strong and content. I travel the open road and the earth that is sufficient. The earth that is sufficient. I do not want the constellation any nearer. I do not want the constellation any nearer. I know they are very well where they are. I know they are very well. They are. I know they suffice for those who belongs to them. I know they suffice for those who belongs to them. Still here I carry my old delicious burden. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. I carry them, men and women. I carry them with me wherever I go. I carry them, men and women. I carry them with me wherever I go. I swear it is impossible for me. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. I am filled with them and I will fill them in return. So this poem is written by as a Walt Whitman, writer. Poet is Walt Whitman. So Song of the Open Road here in the first stanza, we see a foot and light-hearted I take to open the road. We see in this poem already told about that any tested here we see tenderness which is tested any school of university. So the road is something everyone uses. The road is something anyone uses, whether rich or poor, and it forces all level of the people to associated with one another, and the road signifies no mobility. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. So Whitman talks about the people and places. He argues against staying in one place for too long, and although the hospitality any or maybe true. So light-hearted, I take to the open road. He give a decision. I take to the open road, healthy, free, the world before me. Healthy, free, the world before me. His point of view about the nature, he say, see the nature and explain anything about the light-hearted. One can choose as his performance, as his performance. That is the opportunity of all everyone. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ॲज अ रोल म्हणजे प्रत्येकाला संधी ही भेटत असते की आपण जे करिअर आहे किंवा जो रस्ता आपल्याला निवडायचा आहे तो योग्य आहे का. तर त्या माध्यमातून रायटरने काय सांगितलेलं आहे, द वर्ल्ड बिफोर मी, द वर्ल्ड बिफोर मी, हेल्दी, द लॉंग ब्रॉन पाथ, पाथ PATH, पाथ म्हणजे काय, वाटमार्ग किंवा रस्ता मार्ग आपण म्हणू शकतो, रस्ता. द लॉंग ब्राउन पाथ बिफोर मी लीडिंग व्हेरेवर आय चूज, व्हेरेवर आय चूज. ज्या वेळेस आपण एखादा मार्ग निवडतो तो रस्ता लांब आहे का जवळ आहे. सो द लॉंग ब्राउन पाथ बिफोर मी लीडिंग व्हेरेवर आय चूज. Henceforth, I ask not good fortune, I myself and good fortune. That is the most important. Henceforth, I ask not good fortune. Not good fortune म्हणजे तो रस्त्याचा मार्ग निवडण्याचं जे एक वैशिष्ट्य आहे, आपलं एक नशीब आहे फॉर्च्युनेट ॲज अ नशीब, गुड फॉर्च्यून, माय सेल्फ गुड फॉर्च्यून. तर त्या रस्त्याच्या मार्गावरती डिपेंड नसतो, तो आपण जे चूज करतो त्यावरती डिपेंड असतो. युअर फॉर्च्यून, सो आय माय सेल्फ एम गुड फॉर्च्यून. He says that once again I read the lines from poem. For example, a food and light-hearted, a food and light-hearted, I take to the open road. Healthy, free, the world before me, the long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose, wherever I choose. Henceforth, I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. So henceforth, I whimper. The meaning of his whimper, for example, WHIMPER. Whimper means make a series of law, make a series of low, weak, sad cries, especially with fear and pain. Especially with fear and pain. आता बघा, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, म्हणजे आपल्यामध्ये विकनेसेस किंवा आपण मोठ्याने ओरडतो, रडतो, कशामुळे? स्पेशली विथ फिअर म्हणजे भीतीने किंवा पेन, PAIN. पेनचा अर्थ काय आहे, मिनिंग काय आहे? वेदना, वेदनेने विव्हळणे. एखादं लागलं असेल तर त्यावेळेस आपण काय करत असतो? क्राय करत असतो. वी कॉल्ड ॲज अ व्हिम्पर. Henceforth, I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. So done with indoor complaints. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, and querulous criticism. And querulous as a criticism. The meaning of querulous, 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 as complaining, showing that one is irritated. Complaining, showing that one is irritated. म्हणजे एखाद्याची तक्रार करणे, की एखादा व्यक्ती जर आपल्याला त्रास देत असेल तर त्याबद्दल आपण तक्रार करतो, कंप्लेन करतो. तर त्याला दुसरा शब्द कुठला आहे? क्युरलस आहे. त्याचा अर्थ काय आहे? तक्रार करणे. एखादा व्यक्ती आपल्याला इरिटेट करत असेल तर त्याचा शब्द क्युरलस, QUERULOUS, querulous. So done once again. Henceforth, I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticism, strong and content. Strong and content. I travel the open road. I travel the open road, and the earth that is sufficient. And the earth is that is sufficient. बघा, अर्थ कशी आहे? ॲज अ स्ट्रॉंग अँड कंटेंट. आय ट्रॅव्हल the open road. As a strong and content, I travel the open road. The earth that is sufficient. The earth that is sufficient. I do not want the constellations. I do not want the constellation. CONSTELLATION. Yes, constellations. We see constellations in this context freight destiny. Constellation means, in this context, fate, destiny, influential group of people. Influential groups of people म्हणजे आपण दैव म्हणू शकतो, नशीब म्हणू शकतो. So constellation, I do not want the constellations any nearer. I know they are very well. I know they are very well where they are. I know they suffice for those who belongs to them. सो आय नो दे आर व्हेरी वेल म्हणजे प्रत्येकाला माहित असतो की आपल्यापेक्षा एखादा व्यक्ती श्रेष्ठ असेल. सो दे आर व्हेरी वेल व्हेअर दे आर. आय नो दे सफिस फॉर दोज हू बिलॉंग्स टू देम. Still here, still here, I carry my old delicious burdens. He says, still here, I carry my old delicious burdens. I carry them, men and women. I carry them, men and women. I carry them with me wherever I go. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. It is impossible for me to get rid of them. I am filled with them. I am filled with them, and I will fill them in return. So he says, still, here carry my old delicious burdens. So everyone, poet, essayist, or writer or novelist, म्हणजे कुठलाही व्यक्ती असेल, नॉव्हेलिस्ट असेल, रायटर असेल, पोएट असेल, तर तो व्यक्ती आपले जे ओल्ड डिलिशियस मुवमेंट्स असतील, मग ते बॅड असतील किंवा सॅड असतील किंवा हॅपी मुवमेंट्स असतील, तर ते शेअर करताना थ्रू ही चूजेस हिज मीडियम ऑफ ॲज अ पोएम, ॲज अ एसे, ॲज अ लेसन or as a novel or drama. Okay, so he throw himself. I carry them and men and women. I carry them, men and women. I carry them with me wherever I go. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. I am filled with them and I will fill them in return. So I hope you have understood very well Song of the Open Road. कारण प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याचा जो व्ह्यू असतो तो वेगळा असतो आणि समजण्याची जी क्षमता आहे ती प्रत्येकाची काय आहे, वेगळी आहे. आणि त्यामुळे प्रत्येकाच्या दृष्टिकोनातून जे पोएमचं जे मीनिंग आहे ते वेगवेगळं होऊ शकतं, डिफरंट होऊ शकतं. ॲज वन्स फॉर एक्झाम्पल, त्याचप्रमाणे म्हणजे प्रत्येकाची मतं काय असतात, ही वेगवेगळी असतात. तर आपण याच्यामध्ये ऍक्टिव्हिटी बघूया, ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग ऍक्टिव्हिटी. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, A1. First, pick out the lines showing that the poet is prepared to enjoy every moment of his journey. Second, by all delicious burdens, poet means as luggage the food he carries, the stress he bears during the travels. D. Sweet memories of the past. Sweet memories of the past. Third, the poet is a person who is free from all inhibition. Concept of freedom is expressed in the poem. Following are the activities of the past related to his journey on the road. Divide them into two parts as an activities the past, like there are moment he says belongs to me, know whether it reaches. For example, he says here, following are the activities of the past related to his journey on the road. Divide them into two parts as activities the poet will practice and activities he will not as practice. So, walking along the road through he does not know where it reaches. So, complaining about the discomforts during the journey and postponing the journey. So, praying for good fortune, carrying them the fond memories of the good people. So, creating contacts with famous and influential people, striving to achieve high and to bright success, reflecting, developing his own self, reflecting or developing his own self. So, write down the for example, write down the traits the poet exhibit through following as a lines. One is, for example, done for you. Henceforth, I ask for, बघा लाईन्स कशा आहेत बघा. आय आस्क फॉर नो गुड फॉर्च्यून, आय माय सेल्फ मी एम गुड फॉर्च्यून. Self confidence. So henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. I do not want the constellation any nearer. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them, and I am filled with them. I will fill them in return. Healthy, free, the world besides me. Express your views regarding the above lines. The poet has used many describing words such as healthy in the poem and makes a list of as a classify them as for the world, for himself, for the road. So thank you very much. So remaining part will be on the next lecture. I hope you have understood very well. Thank you very much, students.